All right, Pac Manies, here's 10.4 homework. We're going to do 2, 4, 6, and 7. I was going to do all evens, but I like this problem a little bit better for you guys. We've got 10-ounce package of vegetables, 14-ounce package of rice, to 40 ounces of chicken. What was the total weight in pounds? So I'm going from ounces to pounds. It says and, right? So, okay, you can handle that one. All right. Coach Kent brings 3 quarts of a sports drink to soccer practice. He gives the same amount of the drink to each of his 16 players. How many ounces of the drink does each player get? So I got to go from quarts to ounces. Okay, and that's a multi-step, or you can use your chart to do it in one giant leap. All right, it's up to you. And then I'm going to end up, he's got 16 players, so he's giving it out 16 times. He's going to end up doing some division there, right? So multiply and divide. Darnell rented a moving truck. The weight of the empty truck was 7,860 pounds. When Darnell filled the truck with his items, it weighed 6 tons. What was the weight in pounds of the items that Darnell placed in the truck? So it ends up being 6 tons, right? So I've got to figure out how many pounds that is. And if it already had 7,860, I need to find the difference between that and 12,000. If I need to find the difference, that's what kind of problem? I've asked this question many times. You're right. It's subtraction. The difference is the answer to subtraction problem. Pitcher contains 40 fluid ounces of iced tea. Shelby pours 3 cups of iced tea. How many pints of iced tea are left in the pitcher? So I got to figure out how many ounces did I pour out and how many, then I got to go from ounces to pints. All right, so that one's a little trickier. Okay, so multiply this out to get the number of ounces in 3 cups, right? Then I'm going to subtract that from 40. Okay, whatever I have left, then I'm going to convert that to pints. So I'm going to divide by 8 and divide by 2, or just divide by 16. It's up to you, however you want to do that. Okay, last one. Here we go. Okay, on the back side, 3 gallons of fertilizer for his lawn. After he finishes spraying the lawn, he has 1 quart of fertilizer left over. How many quarts of fertilizer did Brady spray on the lawn? Well, how many quarts did he have to start with, right? And then he has 1 left. So you just subtract 1 off of that. That's how much he used, right? Okay, jump rope is 9 feet long. How long is the jump rope in yards? So I'm just going from feet to yards. So this is pretty basic. Okay, it's not multi-step. Yards are bigger. I need fewer. I will what? Or use my chart, right? Fill in the blanks. Cups to quarts to pints. It's weird because they put quarts first and then pints, and it should be pints first and then quarts, but right, just use my chart, divide by 4, divide by 2. Okay, what's the missing unit? I put in here times 2. Remember, it's a function box, so I find the relationship. 3 times 2 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, 9 times 2 is 18, 15 times 2 is 30, 21 times 2, right? So you got to come right to the small numbers first, just like the last chapter. And then this is keep it, change it, flip it. He's dividing it into quarter-acre parcels. He's got 20 acres. He's going to have more than 20 parcels if each one is smaller than a single acre. So just keep that in mind, right? So it's 20 divided by a quarter. Keep it, change it, flip it. The denominator of every whole number is, of course, 1. All right. Have at it, guys. We'll do a mid-chapter quiz tomorrow. All right, bye.